So guys, let's see what we are going to be expecting on our Bitcoin for the day. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram in the section. Now, this is the trend on our Bitcoin right here. We are in a downtrend mode. It is very clear that Bitcoin is trending to the downside. As you can see on our daily time frame, we can take a look at this to be our first low, and here comes the lower high. This is the lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now market is now able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high, right? The market now was now able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then this is the lower high, right? So market was able to drop one more time, then pull back right here. Then market drop one more time again, right? So we will expect a little bit of a pullback, then another drop again. So above all, if you are a swing trader and you would want to do your position for the next 1, 2, or 3 weeks, going for the sell, hold your sell. If you're also a position trader and you would want to do your position for the next 3 to 4 months, also going for the sell. But for if you're a day trader, you would want to make use of your forward time frame. As you can see on our forward time frame is indicating one more drop to play out. So you can sit on your forward time frame. You are seeing a series of lower low and lower high currently playing right here. This can be seen as the lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now this is our lower low, and this here comes the equal lower high. This is the equal lower high. So our next movement on Bitcoin will be a new lower low. So we should be anticipating for a sell on Bitcoin, and that drop should play out. It is able to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low for us. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on Bitcoin. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on, make sure you subscribe, like, and share.